Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy A27. If you'd like to customize the lock screen clock, it's actually pretty easy. You'll need to go to the lock screen, and you can see I do have it customized. It's different than the default one. To do it, press and hold on your lock screen, enter the screen lock, and it will put you in the editing option. Now you can simply click on the clock once it finishes loading. And then you can change the font and color. So let's set it to, I do like this font a lot. You can see I can change its position. I can't, unfortunately, I think I can't really resize it too much. I can, but it's not that easy as in other clocks because you can see it tries to match your wallpaper. It's a really nice clock. I like it, but feel free to set it to another one as well. Oh, yeah, this one is also pretty. And you can see I can resize it. I can place it wherever I want, honestly. I can add widgets or remove them. And I can move the clock even further down. I'll put it here. I think it looks nice. You can change its color. You can change whether it's thicker or thinner, but this font doesn't support it. And you can change the style of the clock. So yeah, that is basically it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.